Which smart boxing trainer is actually worth your time? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, LOL Box Music Boxing Machine. We have the LOL Box Music Boxing Machine, priced at $59.99. What caught my attention was its fun blend of fitness and music. If you want to punch your way to fitness while enjoying your favorite tunes, this is worth a serious look. Now here's why this product solves your problem. The LOL Box features multiple speed options and advanced sound quality, which means you can really get into the groove while working out. Plus, it has Bluetooth connectivity to stream music and a built-in hit counter to keep track of your progress. Imagine hitting those targets while your favorite playlist pumps you up. With over 1,000 units sold just this past month, it's clear people are excited about it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It transforms a boring workout into an engaging experience, helping to relieve stress and boost your mood. But let's be real, some users have complained about the setup being a bit tricky. Honestly, while I found it manageable, I can see how someone less tech-savvy might struggle. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to put in a little effort, the fun and fitness payoff is definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a mix of fitness and entertainment at home. Skip this one if you want something super high intensity without any frills. For under $60, it's a solid investment. Now, if LOL Box's setup challenge worried you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for hassle-free fun.
Product number 2, TG-LLM Music Boxing Machine. We have the TG-LLM Music Boxing Machine for $66.48. What really stood out for me was its interactive features and multiple modes. If you're after a professional punch training experience at home, this one might just be your go-to. This machine comes with 9 different modes and speeds, which is great because it caters to everyone, whether you're just getting started or already a pro. The LED display shows your progress in real time, and it even supports Bluetooth for music. I mean, who doesn't want to jam while getting fit? With over 900 sold recently, it's clearly a hit among home fitness enthusiasts. Here's why this matters for you. It helps improve your coordination and reaction speed while keeping the experience engaging and fun. Now, some folks have mentioned that the installation instructions could be clearer. I get it. It can be frustrating when you just want to get started. But here's the thing. Once you nail the installation, it's so convenient to have this in your home, saving you trips to the gym. This is perfect for you if you want a boxing trainer that grows with your skills. Skip this one if you need something that's quick to set up without a fuss. For the features you get, it's a fair price. All right, that was a solid option, but the next product on my list takes a completely different approach with its advanced features.
Product number 3, TG-LLM Upgraded Music Boxing Machine. The third option is another TG-LLM Music Boxing Machine, this one also priced at $66.48. I was drawn in by its upgraded features and stylish design. If you're looking for interactive and family-friendly training, this is worth a serious look. This machine boasts 9 modes and speeds just like the last one, but with even better materials and sensors for optimal performance. It has a real-time LED display and Bluetooth connectivity to play your favorite songs, which makes workouts a lot more enjoyable. The ability to mount it easily means you can set it up anywhere you want. With over 700 sold recently, it's definitely making waves. Here's why this matters for you. It's designed for users of all ages, making it perfect for family workouts. A common complaint has been about the lack of detailed installation guidance, which can be a bit frustrating for some. But honestly, once you figure out where you want to install it, the setup is pretty straightforward and saves you gym time. This is perfect for you if you want something that the whole family can use together. Skip this if you're looking for a more premium feel with extensive features. For the price, you're getting a lot of value here. Now, if the last TG-LLM model didn't quite hit the mark for you, the next product might just surprise you with its unique approach.
Product number 4, GUI-FIP Music Boxing Machine. The GUI-FIP Music Boxing Machine at $65.99. What caught my eye was the range of accessories included. If you want a complete boxing setup without breaking the bank, this is one to consider. This model also offers 9 modes and speeds, along with an LED display that tracks your hits. It stands out because it includes boxing gloves, a wristband, and even a skipping rope. All of this means you don't need to buy any extra gear, making it a great all-in-one option. With over 300 sold recently, it's clear people appreciate the value. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It simplifies your workout gear while still delivering on performance. However, some users found the sound quality wasn't as high as they expected. I'll be honest, I noticed it too, but it's still good enough to keep you motivated during your workout. So if sound quality isn't your top priority, you'll still be happy with the other features. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly boxing trainer that comes with all the essentials. Skip this if you need high-end sound quality for your workouts. In terms of value, it's hard to beat. Now, if you liked the idea of all-in-one functionality but want something more advanced, wait until you hear about the final product.
Product number 5, Azure Haven Music Boxing Trainer. Last but not least, we have the Azure Haven Music Boxing Trainer for $51.99. What really impressed me was the advanced dual target tech. If you want pro-level training at home, this is definitely worth considering. This trainer offers 9 dynamic modes and speeds, while featuring a unique 360-degree strike zone for comprehensive training. The Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity syncs with your music, and the dynamic LED lights create an immersive experience. Plus, the adjustable height is great for both kids and adults. With over 100 units sold recently, it's gaining traction. Here's why this matters. It adapts to your skill level, helping you master your punches while burning calories effectively. However, some users have mentioned the size might be a bit bulky for smaller spaces. Honestly, while it's larger than others, the benefits of having a feature-rich trainer might outweigh the space issue for many. This is perfect for you if you want a serious boxing machine that grows with you and your family. Skip this if you have very limited space in your home. At this price, it offers a lot of cutting-edge features. So there you have it, the top 5 smart boxing trainers that can transform your fitness routine.
To wrap it up, we've looked at the LO Box, TGLLM's 2 models, Duo IF-IP and Azure Haven. Each has unique strengths, whether it's music integration, family-friendly features, or all-in-one functionality. Choose based on your specific needs and enjoy your boxing journey.